this is the defining butter in the making. I got my soaps over here curing. This is the clay bar soap, the rebatch of it, a new batch of it. This is the rose soap and the water lily soap. So they will be added to the website soon. That's going inside of the defining butter. And I have to make more growth oils.